my name is Arieni Adriena and I'm the founder of Gula Cakery. I started when I was 20 years old back at home, and we opened our first Gula Cakery outlet in 2015, serving hearty meals, classes and cakes. My utmost priority in the bakery is definitely cleanliness and hygiene. Strict hygiene and practices are implemented to avoid cross-infection, especially during classes and dining where many interactions takes place. We have decided to install Medklinn Air+Surface sterilization system in the bakery after surveying all the technologies in the market. Medklinn Sterilization sterilization technology does not use any chemical to sterilize and consumes very little power, which makes it sustainable. It is smartly designed to run continuously 24/7. My restaurant is being sterilized on a continuous basis even though when we are closed. It provides peace of mind for my customers and staff.